Welcome back to another episode of Atlanta Capital Cooking. Today we'll be making shrimplomain. It's one of my favorite takeout dishes, and over the years I've gotten pretty good at making it. So I'm glad to share the recipe with you guys. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you like the content, please give me a thumbs up. So we'll get started with the recipe. Okay, we start with the vegetable prep. We have some sliced bell pepper. We've got 3 green onion. We've got carrot, and we've got ginger. So I peeled the carrot, and I have a paring knife, and I'm going to cut 5 small V's into the outside of the carrot. And when I slice the carrot, it's going to make like a flower bloom design. Pretty cool for the presentation. So that's what I'm working on now. So moving on, we've got a probably a quarter of a head of cabbage. I'm just going to slice it very thin. Green onion, I'm going to take all 3 stalks and slice it on a diagonal about every inch and a half. Vegetables are prepped. We'll set those aside. Next we have 1 pound of egg noodles. We'll put that into a medium saucepan with about 3 cups of water, and we'll only cook those, because it is fresh pasta, for about 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. Okay, our minute is up. I'll go ahead and remove the pasta from the pan. It cooked for about 1.5 minutes, and I'm just transferring it back to the baking sheet with a couple of paper towels on it to soak up any water. And we're ready to start stir frying. moved outside to the wok. Got 2 tablespoons of oil. I'll go ahead and start stir frying my vegetables. Next, I add the shrimp. Next is the sauce. It's a teaspoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, and 3 tablespoons of soy. And now we'll add the noodles, and we'll continue to cook that on high heat for about 2 minutes. And everything's done. Vegetables are crisp, the shrimp is cooked through, and the egg noodles are perfect. The shrimp lo mein is complete. We'll get it plated up. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you like my content, please give me a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next one.